Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a memory upgrade that could breathe new life into your Synology NAS. The NEMIX RAM 16GB DDR3 ECC UDIM kit. Specifically, this is a 2x8GB kit running at 1600 MHz, PC3-12800, with a voltage of 1.35V. It's a 240-pin ECC unbuffered memory kit, designed to be compatible with a range of Synology NAS devices, including the DiskStation DS3615XS, RackStation RS3614RPXS, and others. NEMIX RAM positions itself as a specialist in enterprise storage RAM, catering to servers and workstations, as well as providing standard and specialty ECC memory for NAS devices in both PC and Mac computers and laptops. The promise here is enhanced performance, and they rightly point out that memory upgrades are often the most cost-effective way to boost the overall performance of your computing environment. The installation process is generally straightforward. NEMIX RAM suggests that most users can handle the upgrade themselves in just a few minutes. Of course, always consult your owner's manual for specific instructions related to your device. NEMIX RAM emphasizes its commitment to providing high-quality computer memory products, backing them with a lifetime replacement warranty and offering support from a knowledgeable IT support staff. The claim is that once you install NEMIX RAM, you won't need anything else. But does it live up to the hype? For Synology NAS users, ECC memory is a significant advantage. ECC, or error-correcting code, memory can detect and correct common kinds of internal data corruption. This is especially important for NAS devices that handle critical data storage and retrieval. The fact that this NEMIX RAM kit is ECC UDIM is a major plus. The 1600 MHz speed is standard for DDR3, and the 1.35V voltage is energy efficient. The compatibility list provided by NEMIX RAM is helpful, but always double-check your specific Synology NAS model to ensure compatibility before purchasing. In practical terms, upgrading to 16 GB of RAM can significantly improve the performance of your Synology NAS, especially if you're running multiple applications, virtual machines, or handling large files. You should see improvements in file transfer speeds, application responsiveness, and overall system stability. While it's impossible to guarantee compatibility with every single Synology NAS out there, NEMIX RAM's focus on compatibility and their lifetime replacement warranty offer some peace of mind. If you're looking for a reliable and potentially performance-boosting upgrade for your Synology NAS, the NEMIX RAM 16GB DDR3 ECC UDIM kit is definitely worth considering. Just be sure to do your homework and confirm compatibility with your specific model before you buy.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.